'86 Caprice front speakers. That's the original GM 37-year-old speaker. It don't sound so good anymore. I'm gonna be replacing it with some Kenwoods KFC 4675C. They actually go right into the original brackets. They bolt right up. Oh. They bolt right into the original Caprice brackets. I had to remove the dash to get these brackets out because the old speaker was fastened down with 4 screws, and unless you got the windshield out, you can't get at the screws up against the windshield. So out the dash came. It's about 10 screws, and I'll let you know how these fit. This is the passenger side. Stay tuned. Like a glove. New Kenwood speakers and the old Caprice. The screws that fasten the speaker down, some of the original GMs are a little too long. You might want to get some shorty screws or just cut them off. But yeah, besides that, they fit like a glove. Passenger side's in too. There you go. Perfection. They sound great. The wiring harness adapters to connect to the original GM speaker harness. The part number is 72-1002. Shout out to Southside Nate with Summer Rain. He displayed these speakers on his channel. If you got a box Chevy, hopefully this helps you out.